I think it was not also easy being the only daughter of Paraluman. So ano yung mga rules na madalas niyang instill sa'yo?
First of all, hindi kang pwedeng lumabas na hindi ka ayos. The other rule is you have to behave.
Paano mo na tanggap pinagkakaguluhan ng mama mo? Hindi ka ba nagtataka kung bakit ganyan?
Admittedly, I have to say, medyo nahihirapan ako.
May binanggit ka kasi, your marriage was a failure.
To be honest, we came from two different worlds. So,
Oo.
ang buhay nila, kabayo, sugal. Nung expose ako doon, parang, wow.
Paano kayo nabuo ni Pete as host?
Si Pete kasi kinuha nila kasi magaling magsayaw si Pete. Ako, 2 left feet. Matyaga si Pete magturo.
Oo. Nung wala pa si Butch, was there a time na nagpalipad hangin si Pete sa'yo? Magandang araw, Pilipinas, at sa ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Welcome to TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Sa araw na ito, mga kaibigan, ay isa na naman pong special na personalidad ang ating makakakwentuhan. Siya po ang original co-host ni Pete Roa sa programang Dance-O-Rama. Mga kaibigan, let's all welcome the one and only Baby O'Brien!
At when I look at you, I always remember your daughter, Serena. More than your mom, direct Paraluman. Kasi mahirap hold ang mama ko talaga. When I was a little smaller, yes. Sasabihin, ang cute. Diba?
Si Paraluman, cute.
Oh.
Pero nung lumaki na ako, nagdalaga na ako, at saka bakit di mo kamukha nanay mo? Bakit di ka ganda ng nanay mo? Pasensya na kayo, yun ang original
At saka iba yung beauty niyang mami mo
Oo.
50% German, di ba?
Yes.
Ang kanyang late father ay German. 50% naman Filipino. So 25% ka na lang.
Oo, ang lola ko,
Mm-mm.
galing yan sa Tayabas, Quezon.
Okay.
Kaya pag umuwi kami, which is not often, pag mula sa dulo ng kanya ng Tayabas, sa yung mismong Tayabas, yun ang dulong-dulo, lahat yun halos ata kamag-anak namin. Tapos, yung lolo ko, he's from talagang Germany. Hindi namin nakilala yung kanyang
Hindi mo na inabutan yung lolo mo.
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Ang lola ko na lang naabutan ko.
Okay. Oo.
Kaya nakarating ako ng Tayabas.
Pero syempre, through the pictures, the kwento of
Oo,
your mom,
oo.
di ba, nakita mo ng ilolo mo. So kaya nga, 25%. So pagdating sa kay Rina, kukonting percentage na lang yung German genes, di ba? Hanggang sa apo mo na si Sophie ngayon, na nasa Star Magic na.
Ang sabi ng mama ko, what happened with me sa ako, no? Nag-throwback ako sa Asian Tatay ko Hapon.
Yes.
So,
Abe.
Kay Rina, ang father niya, Filipino talaga. Kaya, mas Asian.
Mga kaibigan, ang real father talaga ni Baby ay Japanese. Abe ang apelyido.
His name is Nobuya Abe.
Yes,
If you
Nobuya.
Google him, you'll find him. Kasi he was a very famous painter in Italy. I saw him before he died when I was about 17. I went to Italy, and I saw his paintings, and I saw the gallery that he was working for, and all that.
Oo.
I'm not mestiza in the
Okay.
sense of tunay na
Oo.
mestiza.
Yes.
I'm more maputi lang and
Oo.
Asian.
You were, when you were younger, during the Dansorama days, medyo may pagkatisay Inglesera pa itong babaeng
Oo
to.
nga noon. Hindi, kasi naman after naalala mo, nung bata pa kami, ang importante, di ba, pag nasa school ka, kailangan nag-English ka.
Yes.
Pagka nag-Tagalog ka, fine.
Wow.
Kaya nag-Englishera.
Oo. You are the only child ng mom mo
Yeah.
sa late father mo, di ba?
There's no other.
Bakit O'Brien ang ginamit mo? Is it screen name mo lang?
Eventually, my mother, mag-asawa siya, second husband niya, si Captain O'Brien. He was
American.
No, he was Filipino. Kaya lang, yung father niya, may O'Brien sila sa family from the way
Okay.
back, nung laban pa nga yan sa gera. He was a pilot for PAL.
Commercial, di ba? Commercial pilot.
Oo. Well, before that, he was in the Air Force, pero ninigay yung pangalan sa akin. Kaya yun na ang dala-dala ko.
Pati sa legal documents mo?
Yes.
Ah,
Oo.
parang you were adopted by him. In
Yeah.
a way, yeah. Because hindi mo naman pwedeng gamitin yun sa mga legal
Oo.
documents mo kung hindi ka in-adapt eh.
Mm-mm.
That's the story behind.
Mm-mm.
Eh sabi ko, bakit Baby O'Brien? Abby ang tatay nito eh. Unless nga, sabi ko, I thought it was just a screen name.
No, no.
Oo.
Kasi when I got into TV, yun na kaagad Baby O'Brien.
Mm-mm.
It was, I don't know if you remember her, Bessie Castañeda. Let's put it when Dansorama started.
Mm-mm.
She was the one who found me and Pete and put it together and made Dansorama. This was patterned under, there was a program in the States exactly like
The
this.
same
Oo,
title.
No.
Meron ding isa kapareho din eh.
Oo,
the
pero
same
hindi
title.
Dansorama. And it was a guy. But they patterned it after that. And the idea was, they used to invite yung estudyante
Mm.
ng colleges, ang unang mga sumasayaw-sayaw nakikita nyo doon
Oo.
at nandun,
Oo.
iniimbita talaga yung
Mm.
galing sa different schools.
Oo.
Then eventually, iba pa ang dumarating. So okay lang, di ba?
Paano kayo nabuo ni Pete to work together as host? Kayo ang original host talaga ng
Oo.
Dansorama
Hindi,
eh.
si Bessiga got him and me together.
Together.
Oo,
Was she the producer?
Yeah, but
Okay.
producer siya ng company that channel.
Okay. Para siguro siya yung executive producer.
Oo, parang ganon.
Oo.
Tapos noon, si Pete kasi kinuha nila kasi magaling magsayaw si Pete.
Oo.
And he was also a choreographer.
I see.
Actually, kung
I didn't even know that.
Oh, yeah, he
Oo, ngayon
is.
ko lang nalaman yun.
Actually, kung nakikita mo kung nagsasayaw noon sa Dansoramas, si Pete.
Oo.
At yung mga choreography
Ah,
lang, si Pete.
Oo.
Ako, 2 left feet. Matyaga si Pete magturo.
Oo. So you had no choice kasi yung Dansorama is about dance,
Oo.
'di ba? Kailangan marunong kayo pareho sumayaw.
Ako, hindi.
Okay. Nung wala pa si Butch sa buhay ni Pete, was there a time na nagpa-lipad hangin si Pete sa'yo?
We were always friends.
Talaga?
Oo. And when nung nagsama na sila, I met Boots
Oo.
and everything. And Boots is a friend of mine up to now. No?
And she became a part of the show as well.
Yes, when
When
I
you-
was pirated. Okay?
Ah.
That's what.
I see.
Kasi ang ginawa ng ABS-CBN noon, they got me from there. And they made the Baby O'Brien show. Yung Dansorama, kinuha nila si Boots. Doon sila nagkakilala ni Pete.
Dansorama was airing on the old Channel 5 and then
It was also a dance
Ay.
show. Sandali lang yun, tapos nag-asawa na ako. Tapos hindi na ako nag-show business. Kasi nag-asawa ako, nagkaroon ako ng anak. When I went back, I think it was in Channel 4.
behind the scene ka naman doon.
No, I did Good Morning Manila. Kinuha nila ako. I did that for almost, I don't know how many years. Well, I did a lot of coverage for the government at that time. And then after a while, I retired, then I did another show and so on, so on, so on, so forth. But I did teleserye once in a blue moon. Kaya lang, ang kakapagod ang teleserye.
Wala kang pasensya sa haba ng paghihintay.
Hindi masyado yun, Aster. Yung, halimbawa, alam mo, yung script sasabihin sa'yo, di malungkot ka or iiyak ka. Hindi madali yung you work up the emotion. Malungkot ka, iiyak ka, mamaya, iiyak ka na naman. Tapos biglang, cut! Ay, dinasagit ka ako ng iyakan. Uy, teka muna. Ay, wait lang, sandali. Tapos mamaya sabi, ulitin natin, ay, sus Mariosep. Di ba? Yung
Oo.
nakaka-drain.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
before I even did teleseries, when I was younger, I was 15, I liked stage acting eh. Kasi continuous.
Continuous,
Oo.
oo.
So I did a lot of
Live yun eh.
Oo. I did a lot of theater. I
Mm.
even worked with Tambuli, Playhouse, and so on, so on, so forth. Pero sa TV talaga, pag kinat, sige, di ganyan, ikaw, hit me ka na doon. Tapos mamaya, sandali lang ha, ganito, chuchu, I want. And then, iyak uli ha. Teka muna, sandali. Mahirap biglain yung, yun, di ba? Di ka naman, you cannot cry and like that, or you know.
Pero aminin mo talaga na nakilala ka ng husto sa pagsisimula mo sa Dansorama.
Yes.
Kayo ni Pitrowa.
Yes.
Kayo yung magka-partner.
Totoo yun.
Di ba? Oo.
Kasi tsinagaan nila yung mga kolehiyo eh. Talagang kumukuha sila ng mga students pumunta sa araw-araw.
I thought yung Dansorama, parang naging outlet din siya ng mga artista noon. Let's say from Sampaguita, LVN, Nepomuceno, lahat ng mga artista noon.
Hindi, iniimbita rin.
Oo,
Siyempre, para...
celebrity guest.
Oo, pero mostly yung makikita mo nagsasayaw, yung mga sa dance contest, yung mga ganun. Lahat yung estudyante, binibigay sa kanila. Bakit hindi?
Gaano ka katagal sa Dansorama?
I think give or take 2 years. I'm not sure.
Pero naiwan si Pete.
Oo.
That was when pumasok na sa...
Si Boots.
Si Boots, kapalit mo. Nag-estudyante pa noon. She was a graduating student sa UP.
Yes. I knew Boots even when we were younger dahil yung tatay niya was
Isa rin
kasama ng
aktor.
mama ko sa Sampaguita. Yung Sampaguita pictures, yun ang playground namin nung maliliit kami. Takbo dito, takbo doon sa studio. Kaya lang marunong kang hindi sigaw ng sigaw. No? Doon ako kumakain sa kantin. Tapos pagka gusto ko, pupunta ako doon sa bahay. Punta ako kay Laman na Itchu, kay Pepito. Pepito, classmate ko sa JASEM.
At saka, so naandun ka pa sa Dansorama nung gawing yung pelikula ng Sampaguita. Dansorama the movie.
Yes,
Remember?
nandun kami.
Naandun ka, at saka si Pete.
Oo.
Pero ang bida dito, Susan Roses
Oo.
and Jo Marie. O
Oo.
si Marie Gonzalez. Tatay ni Cristina
Oo.
Gonzalez.
You're correct there.
Star-studded yung movie na yun.
Oo. Sikat na sikat yung Dansorama. So, they decided to make a movie and then they put the star. Siyempre, kami lang ni Pete. Hindi ba? To some extent lang ang audience namin. But yes, we had a lot of artistas in it.
Yeah, so maybe that was the first movie you had.
Yeah, I'm thinking because I did one movie of my mom, Extra. I forgot the title. But I was an extra.
Oh.
Little girl.
Yes,
Alam mo
oo.
naman buntot
Oo.
ka ng nanay mo.
Oo.
Paano natin yan? Tapos yun, I went to Hong Kong with my mom when she did Hong Kong holiday. O sabi ni Doc Perez, ilagay mo na nga yan sa pelikula kasama ni Dolphy ni Daisy, Sampan Girl.
So even as a kid, nag-artista ka na rin?
Oo.
Okay.
Kasi sama-sama ako sa mama ko,
Oo.
kaya
Oo.
si Doc Perez noon, sama mo na yan, nandyan na naman yan. Sige.
Before kasi, wala pa yung Dasorama, nung sinasama-sama ka pa ng mama mo, ang introduction sa'yo, anak ni Paraluman. Okay.
Alam mo kung sinong kalaro ko sa Sampaguita Pictures?
Sino?
Si Ike Lozada.
Wow, si Kuya, the late Kuya Ike Lozada. Oo. Oo.
Alam mo na, kami mga bata si Ike, may isa pa si Jean Aguilar. Labas-pasok kami sa Town Studio, sa kantin, doon sa bahay.
Before kasi, walang nakakaalam na biological father mo was a Japanese. Bakit O'Brien ang ginamit mo?
Sabi ng nanay ko, nung bata ako, nung nag-asawa siya, second husband, binigay na sa akin yung pangalan na yun. Never ko namang ginamit yung Japanese name ko.
Na-meet mo ba yung father mo?
Oo.
Until what age ka?
Grown up na ako.
Okay.
I went to Japan. I went to Italy kasi I wanted to meet him. Well, I went to Europe. And I went to Italy precisely. And I stayed with him because he's a painter. And he's very well known in Italy and and everything. And I went to see all his paintings, his exhibit.
Mm-mm.
He gave me a book. He gave me a painting. Anak.
When was the last time na nakita mo yung father mo?
Oh, jeez. That's a long time ago. I was still dalaga pa ata ako noon eh.
Mm-mm. So parang ang kinalakihan mo talaga yung
Mama ko.
Mama mo at saka yung stepfather
Oo,
mo.
si Captain O'Brien.
Oo. Pero hindi nagkaanak ang mama mo at saka si
Hindi.
Captain O'Brien.
Hindi. Ang explanation sa akin, understood was, when she gave birth to me, kasi Japanese time, di ba? Bumaliktad ata yung matris, hindi na nakakabuo. It's a medical thing eh.
Yes.
So, hindi na siya makaano ng bata.
Pero, kumusta ka with your stepdad?
Okay naman.
So, trinato ka talaga parang tunay na anak.
Yeah, in a way, kaya lang sabi ko ng mami ko, eto, rule ng mami ko, hindi mo pwedeng pagsabihan yan, ako lang, sabi ng mama ko sa stepdad ko. Kung kakagalitan, ako lang.
Mm-mm.
Di, okay. Marami siyang tinuro sa akin kasi well-traveled piloto, no? He
Yes,
traveled
yes.
the world, di ba?
Mm.
Siya nga yung nag-ano sa akin na yung, you travel kasi there's nothing, no education can give you that. That's why, bata pa ako, because he was with Pal, I went to Europe, I went to America, and I saw all those things. I mean,
You
that
saw
he
the
was-
world.
Well, kind of like,
Mm-mm.
you know, and
Yes.
I stayed with I had an uncle and aunt in Madrid, so I lived with them. And I had a friend in Italy, si Simonetta Fumagalli. And we stayed with her, and then, you know, so on and so forth.
Nung mag-asawa ka, Reyes, ang napangasawa, non-showbiz, nagkaroon din kayo ng anak, isa lang.
Hindi, nagkaroon ako ng isa pang anak.
Okay.
Dalawa, si Christy, pero hindi show business yun. Si Rina, nag-show business kasi nung nanganak ako, buhay pa mama ko. So, the influence, di ba?
So, dalawa sila.
Oo,
dalawa
si Christy's banker yun.
Parehong
Walang-
babae.
Pareho. Walang
Who is older?
Rina.
Rina, okay.
Si Christy
So,
banker.
she has a younger sister.
Yes.
Okay.
Kaya lang, walang hilig yon. Ang alam lang nun, numero at magpaipon ng pera. Si Rina yung kasi, nabutan niya lola niya eh. So silang dalawa lang lola niya. Talagang magkadikit parati yun. tumantuwa ang mama ko doon.
So malaki ang impluensya ng mama mo
Oo.
kay Rina.
Oo.
Kaya siya nag-showbiz.
If you see the two of them, you won't say magkapatid. Kamukha ng side ng family ng tatay niya.
Okay.
Mukhang Reyes.
Si Rina kasi is you eh.
Oo, pero yung banker talaga,
Mm-mm.
ulo. Naging president sa Assumption ng
Wow.
ganun. Basta matalino siya.
Oo.
May asawa na siya, may anak siya. Isa lang. Kay Rina, dalawa. Si Sophie at si Kat. Oh.
Naku, wala ka pa palang boy na di ba?
Hindi sila marunong gumawa ng
Oo.
boy. Ako rin, hindi marunong.
Oo. Parang ang nakakatuwa, husband mo was a Reyes.
Yes.
Tapos si Rina, ang napangasawa, is a Reyes also. So Reyes. Rina is currently inactive sa kanyang showbiz career. What is she busy with now?
Si Rina, nagpapayande, joke lang.
Oo naman,
actually,
she's into business.
Si Rina, mahilig sa business. Nung nag-aartista siya, okay lang. Then she discovered, nag-i-import ng karne yun eh. Yun ang negosyo niya.
Okay.
Nakabili ng bahay.
Kaya pala hindi na siya masyadong nag-active sa showbiz kasi ang dami niyang pinagkakaabalahan
Oo.
na mas stable pa ang kanyang
Oo.
income. Oo.
Kasi katulad nga to, yung sana, I passed by, nagmamadali parati yun kasi yung kanyang i-deliver, ewan ko ba kung ano,
Dami
pupunta
niya,
sa dito, ganun. Hindi ko na halos nakakausap.
But you have your own business as well.
Little here and a little there. It's not something you advertise talaga. I'm handling a quarry in somewhere in Montalban. Pero ito, baka kala nila quarry ng gold. Hindi. Bato. Alam mo yung bato, may halaga pala yan.
Oo naman.
Kasi ginagamit siya
Oo.
sa
Buhangin nga, may halaga eh.
Hindi, ginagamit sa building. May
Yes.
klase ng bato na
Oh, yeah.
for building at saka para doon sa release ng tren. Hindi ko akalain yun. Akala ko bato. Ito, konti dito at konti doon kung ano-ano.
Nakakatuwa naman kayo magnanay.
Ay, nakakainip naman kung uupo ka lang sa bahay.
Maganda yung aktibo, physically at saka mentally. Yun daw nakakabata.
Well, I guess so.
Mga kaibigan, actually si Baby, kung napapansin nyo, tingnan kanyang buhok. Hindi pa uso noon ang streak. Hindi pa uso yung mga highlight noon. Siya na ang nagpauso nito. Can you tell us a little background? Kung
History.
paano mo yun na
Kasi nung nasa TV ako, if you will notice, if you go back, makikita mo yung buko parang light brown. Every 2 weeks, dinadayo na light brown. Ngayon, dumating na yung panahon na parang nasisira na yung buko kada day kasi peroxide din yun, di ba?
Oo.
Ngayon, yung English hairdresser, he was here. Si Greg Anderson, he worked for Rive, if I'm not mistaken. Sabi niya sa akin, you know, we've got to do something about your hair. It's dying. Ano naman ng mga So sabi niya, okay, we're just going to put a streak. Kasi I said, the reason I dyed is because my face is very angular, or if you can see, very angular. So matigas. So sabi niya, ganito. Nilagyan niya ng streak para din daw dito,
Ang
light.
contrast, di ba?
Oo. Light pa rin.
Oo.
So, hindi masyadong matigas ang mukha ko dito na lang, di ba?
Mhm.
So, yun. Kaya nabuhay yan. Tagal na yan.
And you maintain that short hair talaga all throughout, di ba?
Alam mo naman, sa
Oo.
totoo lang, Aster.
Yun na talaga ang yun na talaga ang parang look mo talaga. Since I saw you, hanggang ngayon, yung pa rin ang mo
Pero
eh.
Aster, ang dali-dali i-maintain.
I know.
Alam mo, nung dati ang buko hanggang bewang, sus Mariose. I mean, mag-shampoo ka lang, ang tagal mo sa banyo, tapos yung shampoo mo hindi tatagal. Pero ito, it's easy, and I don't have to go to the parlor all the time.
Yes.
I know how to do my hair and makeup, so okay na. Pag nag-show ka naman lang araw-araw, alangan naman mag-parlor ka araw-araw, di namulubi ka na.
During that time, as compared to now, ano ang kaibahan?
The studios were very, well, they were kind of, not really strict, pero may set, sila na, hindi ka pwedeng iskandalo, or masulat na di ba? I mean, you have to maintain the image. Talaga. Good girl ka parate.
Oo.
Good boy ka parate.
Parang ruling
Kasi
ng...
paano ka na nga
Oo.
naman ipepresenta sa mga estudyante, sa mga school, kung meron kang...
bad image.
Oo. So, that had to be maintained. Well, of course, kung nanay mo ang nanay ko, ay, nako po. You would have difficulty maintaining the image.
I think it was not also easy being the only daughter of Paraluman. So, ano yung mga rules na madalas niyang instill sa'yo?
First of all, hindi ka pwedeng lumabas ng bahay na mukha kang tumayo galing sa kama mo, lumabas ka ng bahay. Kailangan maliligo ka, mag-aayos ka. At nung lumaki-laki na ako, mag-aayos ka, magbe-makeup ka. Hindi kang pwedeng lumabas na mukha kang hindi ka ayos. Kailangan ayos ka. The other rule is, you have to behave. So, tinuruan ako ng, believe it or not,
Ano
etiquette. Inupo ako sa mesa, plato, daming kubyertos, daming baso, daming, tinuro lahat sa akin yun. I had to learn that. So ngayon, maski paupuin mo ako sa mesa, more or less, hindi ako mawawala. Tapos noon, the famous tanggalin mo ang makeup mo bago ka matulog. Nung nag-artista na ako, di ba, syempre, makeup ka. Tanggalin mo yan. Bakit? Kung hindi, magkaka-pimples ka, magkaka-wrinkles ka, masisira balat mo. All that. She was very strict. And then, when I was young, syempre may lumiligaw na. Kailangan pumunta sila sa bahay.
Oh. Yung traditional talaga na panliligaw.
Oo.
Oo.
At hindi ka pwedeng basta-basta magde-date.
Mm-mm.
Kailangan makikilala niya muna kung sino yung hudas na yan. Ngayon, pag party, okay, pupunta ka, dadalhin ka ng kotse, may driver. Eventually, pwede kang pasundo pag kilala niya yung barkada mo, di ba? So, barkada ko used to come to the house. I used to go to their house. We lived in San Lorenzo, kaya okay lang.
Pagdating naman sa pagdidisiplina mo sa dalawa mong anak, si Rina at saka si Chris, paano mo naman totally imposed on them yung ginawa sa'yo ng nanay mo?
More or less, but we had to adapt a little bit because the times were a little different,
Yes,
di ba?
yes. Oo.
Pero more or less.
Medyo mas maluwag na ng konti.
Oo.
Oo.
Yun lang, si Rina, ang hirap kasi kung minsan, ay, naku, yan ang, Rina, ha? Mag-ayos ka. Mas yung kanyang kapatid, although, hindi naman artista, pero she's always, kasi siguro she works in the bank or something.
Totally opposite ang personality
Ay, oo.
ng dalawa.
Yung isa conservative, yung isa artista, pero they get along very well.
Tapos, meron namang anak si Rina, dalawa, pareho ding girls. So, yung isa, pumasok na rin sa showbiz.
Sinabot na kami lahat, di ba? So, more or less nagustuhan niya. Si Kat's very intelligent. She likes not show business, doing other things.
You know, I didn't even know maaga na byuda si Rina. So, she's now a single parent.
Oo,
Oo.
malaki na si Soph.
Oo.
Ang nag-aartista na,
Yan na
hindi
nga
ba?
Mga bata pa ba yung mga anak niya? Nung...
Hindi naman masyadong maliliit.
Oo,
Si Kat lang.
okay.
Pero si Soph medyo may malaki
Oo,
na.
oo.
Pero si Rina kasi, I'll tell you one thing, she's so involved with her negosyo na any guy, including her husband, second demotion. Oo. She was able to buy her own house. She buys her own car.
Madiskarte rin kasi si
Oo,
Rina.
hindi, pero
yes,
it's from the business also.
Yes,
She
nakakatawa
works very
naman.
hard. Sophie's very mahinhin.
She's now with Star Magic, di
I
ba?
think so,
Oh,
yeah.
yes.
Hindi ako masyadong nakikialam. Actually, I want to host. Pero as you were saying, kukunti na lang ngayon ng nagto-talk show. I'll tell you seriously. There's this one channel, yung Teledyaryo. When I watch all this, yung sa Teledyaryo and all that, I find it very interesting. But sometimes, hindi nakukuha yung
Meat.
yun.
Oo.
Oo, yun. The station might have certain
Restrictions?
Oo. Pero still, how about let's do a nice talk show which really talks properly about hindi yung nagmumurahan or gusto mo lang magulat ang tao, hindi ganon. Yung kung ano lang yung totoo. I was doing that for my last TV show. I was like that. I was doing a talk show.
After all, naging asik ka sa
Media.
media. During that time of, term of President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. Yes.
But that was not the time I was on TV. Even before that. Then they got that because at that time, the late Serge Remonde.
Yes, oo.
Oo. He was
He was the
Serge.
press secretary, right?
Yeah, I
Oo.
knew Serge from before and he got me.
Mm-mm.
So, ang trabaho ko nun, nauuna ako parate.
Parati sa advance party ni PGMA. Oo.
Oo, ang hilig pumunta sa probinsya, sa gano'n, di ba? So, nakita ko buong Pilipinas.
Mm-mm.
Ang hindi ko lang nakita yung Sulu, yung
Yung nga, kasi
hanggang
part ng
Zamboanga
Mindanao.
lang. Oo, yung Mindanao. Gustong-gusto kong pumunta ang tabi sa akin. Naku, ma'am, tama na. Hanggang airport lang si PGMA dyan. Kasama ka pa, mahirapan na kami sa security.
Oo.
Kasi they have to secure, the whole party.
Yes.
Hindi naman pwedeng isa, may mangyari, ganun, di ba? So we always had to go advance. I-check out namin ang press, check out namin yung lugar, ise-set up namin sa yung interview, sino yung kakausapin, lahat. So, it was hard work, but very enlightening. I saw the Philippines.
At the same time, ang dami mo natutunan,
Yes.
di ba? Kasi it was a government work, di
But
ba?
the Philippines is really very beautiful.
Yes.
Alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan. Well, okay, I can understand for extra money or because they offer better jobs there. But if you want to ask me, the Philippines is comparable to, well, we may not be as old as the cathedrals and buildings in Europe, but we're just as beautiful here. If you go from one end, at iba-iba, pumunta ka sa may north, ibang ugali ng tao, ibang dialect, pumunta ka rin pababa, iba-iba. Diba? And it's very nice.
You were more of a TV personality, more than even a movie personality.
Yes.
And you would not even consider yourself an actress kahit gumawa ka ng ilan.
But more stage, I did more stage.
Yeah.
Then I did a few for, hindi ko naging ano yun eh, ang gusto ko may kausap ako. Tapos may kinakalikot ako.
Hanggang ngayon talaga, pag sinabi mong Baby O'Brien, o anak yan ni Paraluman, or nanay yan ni Rina Reyes, alin ang mas gusto mo?
Pareho na rin.
Pareho
Ay,
na.
nasanay na.
Oo. Hindi madali yung role mo. Lalo na kung how would you like to be distinct or different from your mother and from your daughter.
Well, my mom was never a host. Hindi siya madaldal. She's an actress. Si Rina naman, nauuna yung negosyo sa ulo niya eh.
Which is also good. Which
Yes,
is also
but she's a
good.
very good actress.
Yes, yes.
Binanan niya sa lola niya. Pero
Oo.
nauuna yung negosyo kasi mas stable. So that's the difference with me. TV is different. They didn't do TV like I did TV. My whole career mostly was TV.
Yun ang hinahanap-hanap mo rin.
Yes.
Up to this time.
Yes.
Oo.
I like
Yun.
to do a talk show. I like to interview people because it's very interesting and you learn a lot, ha?
Yeah.
No, but
Oo.
you know, when I was doing Good Morning Manila, ang ini-interview namin from all different industries, agriculturist, farmer, lahat yun, ano, ang dami mong matututunan tungkol sa, bakit kayo gumagawa ng ganyan, or ganire, or hindi ba? So, it adds to your knowledge.
Right, right.
And it adds to your person kasi when you go somewhere and there's a conversation, at least you can contribute kasi may natutunan ka dito, may contribute ka dyan.
Baby, kung i-rewind ang buhay mo, anong part doon ang gusto mong balikan?
I guess when I was doing Dansorama, when I was still young. Before, when I was still young, when my mom was alive, you know, everything was good. Not bad also, but you know, that was better.
Yung transition, di ba? Pinagdaanan mo yun. But like what you said, naranasan mo ang yung peak ng career mo when you were a TV host.
Yeah.
Iba yun eh. Kumbaga, sabi mo nga, si Rina, hindi naging TV host. Mami mo, hindi naging TV host. Pero you were a good TV host.
And my mom was an artista talaga. Si mama, pagka in-interview mo, she's very few words. She's not very, like me, daldal.
Ang nakamana sa'yo, si Rina. Super daldal si Rina. And never a dull moment with her also pag nakausap mo.
Si mama hindi.
Oo.
Si mama talaga maganda lang. Artista.
Buti lang, wala ditong mama mo. Hindi ka kukwestiyonin dun sa sinabi
Hindi,
mo.
pero Aster, makakapagsalita ka pa ba? Pagka nakaupo na dyan ng nanay ko, alam mo kung gaano kaganda yan. Lahat ng tao natutulala. I tell you ha, lalabas kami, di ba? Tapos yun, may maraming tao. Let's say, kumain kami sa restaurant, nakita, si Paraluman, no? Si Paraluman. Before you know it, wala. Ganyan na lahat ng tao. Hindi na kailangan magsalita.
Paano mo na tanggap pinagkakaguluhan ng mama mo at her peak, di ba? Siyempre ikaw as a small kid, na andyan ka lang, hindi ka ba nagtataka kung bakit ganyan?
Admittedly, I have to say, there was a time, medyo nahihirapan ako because she was such a big,
Personality.
Oo. And not when I was young. When I got a little older, I think mga 15, 16, 17, ganun. But then eventually, you know my mom, kasi you can talk to her about anything. So, talking. And then I got to realize, well, she earned what she is. And if I want to be somebody, I should earn it as well. I mean, you can't just have it, you know. You've got to go out and earn it, whether it's being beautiful or being a good actress or being a good business person, you have to earn it.
The Paraluman was just her screen name.
Yes, her real name is Sigrid
Y-
Fongise.
Oh, wow.
That's German.
German. Oo. Wala nga naman makakapronounce ng tama doon sa apelyido ng nanay mo, di ba? How much of your mom ang minana mo?
Everything she taught me, yun, yung huwag kang lalabas na mukha kang busangot or yung mga ganon.
Yung discipline at saka yung mga rules na in-instill niya
Oo,
sa'yo.
yun.
O naandun yun.
Pero yun, alam mo, kung nakilala mo yung lola ko, isa pa rin yun. Ang lola ko, 4'11". Ang lola
Talaga?
ko,
Buti hindi ka nagmana ng height doon.
5 feet naman ako.
Hindi, kayo nga, mabuti nga ako, hindi ka nagmana ng height.
Oo.
Oo.
Ang lolo ko was 6 feet. Aliman eh.
Ah, okay.
Ang lola ko, ask me what her name is.
Ano?
Tekla.
Ganun ka simple, ganun ka ano. Oo,
And she's from Tayabas, Quezon.
oo. Tagalog na
Tekla
Tagalog.
De Torres.
Your marriage was a failure?
Well, actually kasi, kaya hindi siya nag-succeed. To be honest, we came from 2 different worlds. Ito advice ko lang sa mga taong nagpapakasal o nai-inlove. Sana, more or less, you come from the same background. Kasi ang hirap, dikit yung
Magkaibang.
mundo.
Actually, pareho naman talaga yung stranger bago kayo magkita
Well, sila yung I'm sure you're familiar with Santa Ana Racetrack.
Oh yes.
O, sila yung may-ari nun.
Oo.
So, ang buhay nila, kabayo, sugal, yung ganon. Ako naman, galing ako sa entertainment. So, nung expose ako doon, parang, wow.
Ikaw ang na-shock. Oo, na-culture shock ka. Oo.
Eh, gayon. Siguro hindi kaya. Kasi ang turo sa akin, well, maraming turo sa akin na. Kasi hindi ako marunong magsugal. Wala. Pinaka-ano ko, solitaire. Natuto na lang ako magmahjong nung nag-asawa ako. Would you believe? Tinuruan ako nila kasi hindi ako marunong magmahjong. I never learned all those things. So I was a little shocked. And the culture was so different kasi talagang Pilipino ang pagka-raised sa kanila. You know what I mean?
Yes,
Pilipino.
yes.
Ako naman, medyo iba yung pag-raise sa akin. Pilipino pa rin, pero, di ba? So, hindi kami magkaigi.
So, gaano lang ito tumagal? After you
6
gave birth
years.
to two daughters?
6 years.
6 years lang.
Total.
Kumusta si Narina and Christy sa
Father nila. Oo, when he was alive, no.
he's gone already.
Oo, I used to send them.
Okay.
No, I was not the type na, hoy, hindi mo punta. Hindi.
Mm-mm.
They used to go to the Cararan, they used to see him. Alam mo, actually, yung ikalawang anak, kung hindi nahulog yung thermometer, hindi mabubuo yun.
Paano kinalaman ng thermometer?
Ay, hindi ba? Kasalanan sa Diyos,
Oo.
na Catholic, yung ay inom ka ng ano.
Ayan.
Ngayon,
oo.
kung gagamit ka ng thermometer, pag mataas ang temperature mo, ibig sabihin fertile ka.
Oo.
Eh, nahulog, hindi ko
Oo.
alam. Kaya
Ay,
sabi ko kay Chris.
But she's a blessing.
Oo.
Oo, di ba?
Pero the thing is, they come from a different world na hindi ko maintindihan or hindi ko magets. So that's my advice. If you're going to get married to someone or you try to find out that how you both can work
Before
together.
plunging into marriage,
Oo,
di ba?
kasi
Dapat ano muna,
Pagka kayo masyadong
malayo sa isa't
Oo.
isa. You have the point there. Oo naman. Kasi minsan kasi nadidiscover nyo na lang ang isa't isa pag mag-asawa na kayo. Which is different na ligawan stage
Oo.
Iba yun
Always the best foot forward.
Best foot forward parate.
No regrets because I have 2 kids.
Yes, so beautiful kids.
Oo. And one is very bright. She's a bank manager. Si Rina, she's successful in her own right at businesswoman. So, hey, actually, wala akong ipinroblema sa mga anak ko. Katulad ng mga ibang ina.
Pero but you raised them na ikaw lang.
Oo.
Single mom ka to
with
two
my
daughters.
mom, alam mo naman yung
At least your
ko.
mom was still around at that
Oo,
time.
pero
yes.
walang problema yung sinabi mong ginawa. Ito, ginanong, ganun. Wala. They went to school. Si Rina, nung tumigil kasi mag-artista, fine. She was earning money. She bought her own car. Yung mga, So, I'm very blessed.
Sino si Baby O'Brien behind the camera?
Ay, wala lang. Nagtatrabaho. Nagpupunta sa parlor. Nagsha-shopping. Wala na.
Very normal.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
Baka isang araw magkita tayo dyan sa Green Hills o sa
Oo.
grocery.
Oo. Mensahe mo sa apo mo kay Sophie na pumasok na rin sa showbiz.
Keep your head together.
Of course, take this opportunity to invite everyone or to may gusto kang ipaalam sa lahat.
I'm really thankful that you
Naku,
invited
it's my
me
pleasure.
to talk And I hope that you will talk to Rina. And of course, Rina will disagree with everything I said.
It's okay. She will have her time.
And Sophie. So, thank you very much. And I really appreciate it. Once in a while, this is fun.
Anong isang bagay na magpapaiyak sa'yo?
Well, I cried when my mom,
Passed on.
yeah. But now, well, I guess if my kids, something happens to them.
Anong iniyakan mo before, aside from your mom's death?
Nung bata pa ako, alam mo naman tayo, nung bata,
Yes, yes.
medyo ano yung boyfriend mo, ay, yung mga ganun. Pero nothing, seriously delirious. I'm not a sad person eh.
Masayahin ka eh.
Oo,
Kahit
mabilis
si Rina,
ako.
I think she got that personality from you.
Halimbawa, may
Oo.
nangyaring ganyan, nakakalungkot. Maya-maya, kasi mamamatay ka lang sa lungkot.
Totoo. Anong gusto mong i-impart sa ating audience? Anong gusto mong iparating?
I guess everybody would like to have an easy life, be successful and all that. Truthfully, everything you want, you have to work for. Kayod.
Pinagtatrabahuan lahat.
Oo.
Pinaghihirapan lahat.
Oo, you go to school, mag-aral ka. Pag hindi ka nag-aral, ay sus. Or dapat maabilidad ka. Kasi some people, ay hindi naman ako nag-aral pero successful. Kasi meron kang ibang talent.
Yes.
Pero kung halimbawa nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, hindi mo pa na-recognize na may ibang talent ka, mag-aaral ka para may
Foundation.
Oo.
Pundasyon, no?
Just work hard. Be kind. Sometimes we're not kind to our fellow men. Or, may nakita tayong, or ayoko dyan. Everybody is a human being. Be kind. Huwag niyo kalimutan, magdadasal din kayo.
Maraming salamat sa aking personal sponsors, Pandan Asian Cafe. Thank you so much, Alvin, Dennis, and of course, Roland, Ever Belena, Hello Glow, Beauty Derm, Eris Beauty Care, Aficionado by Joel Cruz, R&A Events Specialist by Richie Ang, Asia Slashes, Nesacila Salon for my hair and makeup, Nutritech, maraming salamat, Jos de la Luna, Most View from Japan, Memoy.ph, Silpul Joyce Furnitures, maraming salamat, Charles Solano of Solano Hotel, Colorete Clothing by Bebot Santos, Dr. M. Sevilla of Vine Aesthetics, Shinagawa LASIK and Aesthetic Center, Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care, Dr. Essentials Aromatherapy. Thank you so much to Sunny Dumalaon of PESMS Events Management, Studio Manila. And of course, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan mag-subscribe, like, share, comment, and click the bell icon of TikTok with Aster Amoyo every Friday, 12 noon. Hanggang sa muli mga kaibigan, dito lamang po sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Bye for now, and God bless us all.